Hello guys, it's your boy iBenHD here. Welcome to episode 4 of Random Burping. I think this series is gonna get like a crap load of views because I've hit 14 subscribers, which means a lot. Got 22 vids. This is my 23rd. And you like burping, so I'm just gonna keep on making them just for your entertainment. Trying to make a song. Excusez-moi.